Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Supreme Court has refused to approve a scheme of arrangement at Cable and Wireless Jamaica, CWJ. The scheme would have allowed the parent company of CWJ to take 100% control of outstanding shares. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
Judgment handed down by Justice David Batts, essentially blocking the parent company of telecoms provider Cable and Wireless Jamaica, which trades as Flow, from purchasing outstanding minority shares. The parent company, through its subsidiaries, currently hold 92% of the shares in CWJ. It wants to control 100% to make CWJ a subsidiary of Liberty Latin America. However, the minority shareholders are putting up a fight. They argue that they're not being treated fairly in the attempt to purchase their shares, a claim made on the grounds that they were forced to vote on the scheme of arrangement in the same meeting with majority shareholders. That means the interest of the minority shareholders who are selling would have been overshadowed by the majority shareholders, which represent the purchasers. At that meeting, only 5% of minority shareholders voted in favor of the scheme of arrangement. However, the scheme was still considered approved because the majority, which amounted to about 75%, voted in favor. As a result of this imbalance, the judge decided to reject the scheme on the premise that there were improper class meetings, which resulted in general issues of fairness. Justice Batts pointed out that not having separate class meetings was a fatal flaw in the scheme of arrangement. The ruling allows for CWJ to reconvene separate meetings of shareholders to consider approving the scheme of arrangement. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $124.79. The Canadian dollar is now going for $92.32. The pound closed the day at $164.82, while the euro is being sold for $142.39. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in April went up by 10 cents. It settled at $59.38 a barrel. The JSE index lost 735 points today, while the junior market index it gained 11 points. Among today's winners were Pulse Investments, CAC 2009.5% shares, Caribbean Cream, Derrimon Trading, and Stanley Motor. On the losing side were Fosrich, Caribbean Producers, JMMB Group 7.5% shares, 1834 Investments, and Lasco Manufacturing. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.